In this lesson, I'm going to talk about the view menu. So I'm going straight to the view menu. So I'll click on view menu. The view menu has a lot of interesting things that you need to know. View menu, view, how do you want to view this document? So coming back here, we have the read mode. If you click on the read mode, this is the best way you can read your document on the screen. The print layout is basically how it will appear when you are printing it through a printer. The web layout is the way it will appear if you advertise it on the website. So let me just click on them. So I'll click on the read mode. So this is how it's going to appear. This is how it will be. So you see it's a lot easier and comfortable to read this way if you are reading directly from the screen. Then once you're through, we can now reverse back. So how do we reverse back? If you look down here, you can see that the different displays are shown here. This one is the read mode, which is where we are currently in. Then of course the print layout will show you how it will appear if you print it through a printer. Then of course the web mode will appear this way, just like the way you look at things on a web page. So I'm going to return back to the print menu. So that's what this 3 does. Then outline, you can see the outline of this entire document by clicking that option. So once you finish, so you see it has its own topics and the content, topic and the content. Then you can also get to the draft mode. So I'm going back again to view. The draft mode will show you information about it will show you the document, but you notice here that there are no pictures. So if you take a pop-up, if you take a cursor to the outline, you see a pop-up box appears explaining what it does. So outline view, see your document in outline form where content is shown as bulleted points. This view is useful for creating headings and moving whole paragraph within the document. Then the draft view, take your cursor there, switch your view to see just the text in your document. So all the pictures disappears, you can see the text, and of course this makes it easier for you to edit. So the ruler, so I'm going back again. So that's the outline, and so we are back here. So again, the ruler, so you can see ruler is checking. What is ruler? Is what you're seeing on top here and what you're seeing by the side here. So what does the ruler does? You take your cursor there, the system pops up and show you what it is. Show rulers next to your document. You can see and set tab stops, move tab borders, move table borders, and line up objects in your document. Also you can measure stuff around the line. Then of course you can have grid lines. So grid lines, you can show grid lines in the background of your document for perfect object placement. The grid line makes it easier for you to align objects with other objects. Then of course you have the navigational pane. It's like your tour guide for your document. So if I deactivate the ruler, you can see that the ruler shown by the left hand side and of course on top are removed. Then I can bring it back. Then I can click on grid lines. So grid lines appear. So all these lines you're seeing here are the grid lines. So here, when you have a grid line, it's easier for you to align your objects within these grid lines just to make it straight. So then of course you have the navigational pane, which brings like a summary of all the headings, and you can easily move from one point to the other without having to scroll down. So that's what the navigational pane does. And so for ruler, it shows the level of adjustment on the screen. For example, if I come around here, I can zoom out. So zooming out means I'm compressing it. So you can see the ruler becomes smaller, and I can zoom in. So zooming in means I'm expanding it. So you can see my ruler becomes bigger, and the middle part is always the default part that everybody uses. So you can align, you can change the alignment of your document by adjusting this. So I'm going to show you how to do that when we get to working with margins. So I have my, so the, again, um, so I just did something on zooming. So you can zoom to whatever percentage you want by clicking moving forward or backwards. Then of course you can have all this document as a single page, just like it's shown there. You can also have it in multiple pages. So this is very nice. So it makes it a lot easier for one to scroll down. So if you have 3 pages in a particular row, then it's a lot easier for you to look at your document and to navigate your way around it. And of course, you can also have the width increase. You can have the width increase the way you want it. So that's basically other ones. You can create a new view, you can arrange all, and you can split this document into two. So I can further work on this the way I want it. So the view enables us to see how we want our documents to be in different views. So don't forget, the read view is where you read from the screen. Print view is for printing, how it will appear before you print out. This is how it will appear on your website. Outline view has all the topics, which enables you to navigate around to pick up any section that you want. Then the draft view comes in the form of a draft, which is editable, just the text without any pictures. Then of course you have your rulers, your grid lines, and navigational points. So I'm going to talk more about the setting on the screen and how it can affect the margins of the text that you have on the screen. That's something about the view that you need to know. Thank you.